All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR 11. It says to simplify 12 minus 2 times the quantity m plus 9. All right, so what we have to do is we have to take this minus 2 and distribute it through the set of parentheses. So we need to distribute, which means we're going to multiply. -2 by each term in the parentheses. All right, so first of all, my first term way out front, that constant is 12, is just going to stay there. We're going to distribute a -2 through. -2 times n is -2m. Then you have to do -2 times +9. You can either think of it as minus a positive plus a negative. So you could write minus a positive. You could write plus a negative. 2 times 9. Or you could just think about it as -2 times +9 is a -18. So it doesn't matter to me whether you think of it as -2 minus 2 times +9, or if you want to think about it as minus a positive becomes a negative. So let's just take 12 minus 2m minus 2 times 9 is minus 18. A negative times a positive is a negative. So minus a positive becomes a negative, plus a negative becomes a negative. -2 times +9 is a -18. I know in my AIS classroom, there's just always so many discussions with 7th graders about how tricky those signs can feel. And a lot of times kids are saying, but I don't understand, is that a subtraction or is that a negative? And it's so hard for us as adults to say, really, you can think of it either way, because a lot of times that just muddies the waters. But that's the truth of it. You can either think of it as minus, distributing subtraction of 2 through the parentheses, or multiplying a -2 through the parentheses. Whew, it's tough. All right, so here we go. At this point, once we've cleared the parentheses, then you have to look at 12 minus 18. We're going to combine like terms. Miss Pearson does her X's and no's. So we could do our M's and no's chart for numbers. So you have a -2m, and there's another more you're going to do with that. And then you have 12 minus 18. So there, for your final answer, you're going to get a -2m, 12 minus 18. Signs are different. Find the difference. Keep what you have more of. 12 minus 18 would be a -6. If you need to think of that as a number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 18 would mean we'd start at 12. We'd move left 18 places. So you'd start at 12 and you move left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If we start at 12 and move 18 places to the left, we end up at a -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So whether or not you use your rule, signs are different. Find the difference, keep what you have more of, or you fall back on a number line, you're going to come up with -6 when you do 12 minus 18. So your final answer here is -2m minus 6. All right, I hope that helps. I know distributing those negatives can feel tricky to some of us. We might not be there yet, but we'll get there. Hope that helped.